Hello, we had a question on number 17 from section 10.2, so we'll run through that real quick. It says the height and the lengths of the bases of one trapezoid are all twice those of the other trapezoid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out drawing two different trapezoids, one that's going to be a little bit smaller than the other. Okay, so here you can see we have two different trapezoids. I'm going to call the blue one, we'll say that this is trapezoid number 1, and the red one will be trapezoid number 2. And then I have to just make sure that number 1 is going to be one set of dimensions, and number 2 is going to have twice the set of those dimensions. So for number 1, I'm going to just say that my height is, let's say, 2, and this base 1 is 3, and this base 2 is 4. So all I have to do is double those over on the second one. So here my height is going to be 4, base 1 will be 6, and base 2 is going to be 8. And then I'm going to look at the areas and compare them. So for trapezoid 1, our area is going to be 1/2 times the height, which is 2, times the sum of base 1 plus base 2. And in this case, I can see that my 2's are going to cancel, and I'm going to be left with an area of 7 units squared. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the second one. So area of the second trapezoid is 1/2 times the height, which is 4, times the sum of base 1 plus base 2. And here you can see we have half of 4 is going to give us 2. 6 plus 8 is 14. So now you can see that my area then is going to give me 28 square units. And if you compare them, you can see that although the dimensions on trapezoid number 2 are twice those of trapezoid number 1, we can see that their areas are actually a factor of 4. So you can just write something to that extent. So the area of trapezoid number 2 is 4 times that of trapezoid number 1. Hopefully this helps clarify any questions you guys have. Have a great day.